Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the Popsing channel. My name is Popsing. If now you're watching this video right now, you're watching the Popsing channel. I do appreciate every one of you subscribing and also giving me thumbs up and also commenting on my channel. Alright, if you know this is your first time watching my video, you know you haven't subscribed to my channel before, what you have to do just to click on the subscribe icon below and subscribe. Okay, giving me thumbs up. Also, after these videos, if you have any questions you want to ask, just comment in the comment section. I will see it and I will reply you. I will answer you immediately. Alright, into these videos I'm gonna teach you what is email marketing and also how does it work. How does email marketing work? Okay, so I'll head into my Word document right now, my Word docs right now to get started. Alright, this is my Word docs, my Microsoft Word. Alright, the first topic right here is what is email marketing. What is email marketing? Yeah, email marketing is a powerful marketing channel. That's the one point. That's the point from email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful marketing channel. Are you right? Now, it means the act of showing, displaying, advertising your products or services to group of people through electronic email message in order to convince them to buy products or use your services. Yes, email marketing is a powerful marketing channel and it helps you. It is also it's like the act of showing the process of advertising your product or services to a group of audience. Yeah, a group of people, group of audience. What through electronic email message. That's a point. Through electronic email message. This is just one point. Electronic email message, in order to convince them, in order to convince your buyer, your customer to want to buy your product or use your services. That's just simple definition about email marketing. That's a simple definition. Okay, so right now I will move to the next point, which is email marketing benefit. Okay, now the first benefit right here, it is a great way to build a community around your brand. Yes, if you're looking for the way you can build a large community around your brand, make use of email marketing. Email marketing is one of the best way to build a community around your brand. Trust me. So the second point is it can help you get more leads and make more sales. With the help of email marketing, you will be able to get more leads. Leads contain more than one information. Leads contain, like, for example, we have first name, last name, email address, we have phone number, home address, gender, zip code, stuff like that, many of like that. Okay, but with the help of email marketing will help you to get more leads, more targeted leads, those leads that are interested in your business and also make more sense. In as much you are able to get more leads, there is no way you're not gonna get a size. If you have, I'm not talking about fake leads. If you have the real organic leads, I mean those that have interest in your product or that have interest in your services, there's no way they are not going to buy your product or buy your services. Yeah, soon as much you get more leads, you will get more sales. So the next point is what? It is one of the best ways to get more recurring traffic. If you're looking for the best way, if you are looking for the way you can get more recurring traffic, more recurring visitors on your website or on your store or for your product or your services, make use of email marketing. Is one of the best way. And also the next point, it is easy to track. Yes, email marketing is easy to track and it is also measurable. Yeah, it is easy to track and measurable. So the next point is what? It helps to confuse people easily. Very simple. Email marketing will help you to confuse your customer, your subscribers, your clients easily if you know how to do email marketing. Okay, that's just the benefit of email marketing. So now I'm heading to the word why email marketing is important. Another what? Another one. The why email marketing is important. Okay, so now number one point says you own your audience. Yes, in email marketing you own your audience. Now it says your email is an asset for your company. Yes, this is it's like a property for your company. It's an asset for your company, and you don't have to share it to any. You cannot share your list, your email list with anyone. It is yours. It is your own. Okay, it is you own it. You can't share it with anyone. Having a big list of users, if you have a huge list of users that manually and voluntarily register to your list, those that choose to register to your list, you don't force them. You don't force them to register. They voluntarily register to your list, can add a lot to the resale value of your online business, since that they have interest in your business and they choose to opt in your mailing list. So they are going to add a lot to the resale value of your online business. That just is. So right now, the second one is you can communicate directly with your subscriber. This is another way. This is another reason why email marketing is important. Okay, you can communicate directly with your subscribers. Email marketing offers you a direct channel of communications between your company and your audience. Yes, you are going to have a direct channel communications between companies and audience. When you have a healthy email list, you can use it in any way you want to communicate directly with your audience without having to pay advertising fees to Facebook or relying on their algorithms. No, nothing like that in email marketing. Email marketing can be heavily personalized and can be used to initiate a one-to-one conversations with your potential client. And it can be used to start a one-to-one conversations, to begin a one-on-one conversation with your potential client. This is another reason why email marketing is important. Oh my god, email marketing is very important. If you make use of email marketing for your business, it is very, very important. So the next one is what? Users voluntaries registers to email message. This is the last reason why email marketing is important that I'm going to talk about. We have many of these. Okay, there are many of these that I'm going to talk about on this channel. But if you want to learn more, if you want to know more about this, just subscribe to my channel right now, and also give me thumbs up, comment on the comment section, turn on the notification icons in case I upload the videos. You'll be notified immediately. Alright, the last point right here is what? Users voluntarily registers to receive email message. Now, when a user registers to your list, it means that they trust your business. Let me tell you something. If a subscriber are those who choose to opt in your business. Now, when a user registers to your list, when a user registers to your mailing list on your website or on your store, it means they trust your business. It means that user have interest in your product or have interest in your services. That is the reason why he or she register on your mailing list. Now, it means they trust your business and they want to receive emails from you. Since they have interest in your product, they will also have interest to receive emails from your store based on the product or based on the services. So this is different than users on Facebook that are shown us that they don't care about. No, it's quite different from that. Okay, from a business perspective, you can nurture them. You can also nurture your list. Yes, this is another reason why email marketing is important. You can nurture your list. You can nurture them so that they will perform an actions that generate value for your businesses. Yes, this is the last point I'm going to talk about. I'm going to discuss about on the reason why email marketing is important. If you find this video helpful, if you gain some things on these videos, can you please subscribe to my channel once again? Do not forget to give me thumbs up. Don't forget to share my video to your friends also. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. I love you all.